Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking you on a wild and unforgettable adventure deep into one of Sri Lanka's most famous wildlife destination, the Yala National Park. We were staying at the beautiful Ochre Hotel in Hambantota, just a short drive away from the park. Our day started early. The safari vehicle picked us up around 5 a.m. and we were off. As we entered the park, we were greeted with the most magical sunrise over a serene lake. It honestly looked like a scene straight out of a storybook. As for entry, ticket prices for foreigners are around 15 to 20 US dollars per adult, plus the cost for the safari vehicle and the guide. Most operators allow children above 6 years old, but always check the specific age rules when you book. Quick heads up for families. The roads inside the park are very bumpy. It's part of the adventure but not ideal for little ones. We don't recommend taking children under the age of 3, both for their safety and comfort. Throughout the drive, we were lucky enough to see elephants, spotted deer, wild water buffaloes, peacocks, and even crocodiles. Each moment felt like a treasure. Yala National Park is home to over 200 species of birds, 44 species of mammals, and some of the most elusive predators in Asia, including the majestic leopard. But let me tell you, spotting a leopard is no easy task. You've got to be incredibly lucky. They blend into the wild like shadows. One of the most breathtaking things about Yala is not just the animals, it's the landscape itself. From thick forests and wide open plains to freshwater lakes and rocky outcrops, every part of the park is raw and untouched. The air feels fresh, the sounds of nature are all around, and you truly feel like you're a guest in the animal's home. After hours of exploring and soaking in the raw beauty of nature, we finally made it back to the hotel, completely exhausted but with hearts full of joy and unforgettable memories. Our time at Yala was thrilling, peaceful, and it is truly one of Sri Lanka's crown jewels. If you're planning your trip, definitely add Yala National Park to your list. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more family-friendly adventures from all around the world. Until next time, stay wild and wander often.